Hi viewers, what's up? This is Mohammed Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Day. So in this video, I'm going to talking with you about the brand new features of Instagram that is for you, how you can duplicate your Instagram as a shortcut, and you can also change Instagram icons like this, what you say here. So why we can do it and how we can do it in this video, I'll explain with you. So before starting that video, that I have a request, if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. So here guys, you can see this all are working, and whenever I click on those, it works. So how you can do it? So from here, first of all, you need to go to in your Instagram account from here, and after that now you need to go to in your profile, and then now go to on this three dot, and from here go to the settings, and here you need to drag down like this here your Instagram, and here you need to drag it as much as possible, and here you can see all those are the icons here. So here from this all the icons, and Instagram is celebrating their 10th birthday in this year 2020. To celebrate our birthday the month, you can add a home screen shortcut using your favorite icon below. Thanks for being part of our story and using Instagram to share your. So here from, if you click on those, it works. So here as I click here, this original shortcut is added. So from here, if you want to edit this as a code name, so here also it works. So here you can see these are working, and these are come here, and from here you can do it whatever you want from here. If you want to add more and more, that time you can do it. So these all are like a shortcut. Now if you want to remove this, so from here you can also remove it. How you remove others shortcut icons from your home screen? It only add in your home screen, not in your apps details or app list screen. So here from you have to remember about this. So here guys, this is the thing by which now you can also make this as a fun, and you can also show it to your friend as a credit. So here guys, this is the thing that I want to share with you. Now guys, it's your turn. Guys, I hope this will be really interesting thing for you. Guys, if it's so, that time I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today. We will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.